What is it with Thyssenkrupp and activist investors?
This is the second one we've seen in the company. I think it really has to do with their company structure. So it's a complicated business. They're in a lot of different areas. It's everything from submarines to food packaging to steel making. And I think what you're seeing is investors frustrated that the turnaround program isn't working and they want to come in and shake things up.
So the CEO, according to Elliott, isn't the man to do that?
Yeah, that's quite a surprise. But it seems like he's going to have a hard time to see its way forward. I think what you're seeing is the investor frustration is really seething with the company's underperformance. Since he took the office, Thyssenkrupp shares are down 30%. So I think you're seeing the frustration with the share performance and that we're really not seeing the changes in the turnaround program.
It's fascinating, Lynn. These companies seem to be attracting activists, obviously Thyssenkrupp, but also here in the US, we have UTX, which has been attracting activists and they've been building stakes in that company. I guess it's because it might be easy to split these companies apart. What's the outlook for Thyssenkrupp splitting up?
Yeah, I think that's a real possibility. It's certainly something that's been discussed, is whether these different businesses would be better on their own, whether you would be able to get more profit out of them if you perhaps streamline the company. I think one criticism that's been leveraged is the costs at Thyssenkrupp's central headquarters are too high, so that might be a way to reduce costs and simplify the business.
Yeah, I mean, in the UTX case, the CEO is willing, and it looks like it's going to happen. There's also a merger to come, Rockwell Collins merger in the meantime. What's going on right now at Thyssenkrupp strategy-wise?
So I think Heissinger's had his turnaround plan for quite some time, and Cevian's definitely been pushing for more. I think it'll be interesting to see what happens with Elliott and whether that perhaps lights a fire under them, makes them do more, or whether Heisinger's able to ride this out and continue on.